What's up, guys? Ryan from I Teach Credit. As you know, this is my card. This is my dream. The fastest way to this card is by educating people like you on credit. Today, I want to talk about this card right here. One of my subscribers was watching the video and he was so excited. He's like, oh, I got approved for the Platinum card. It was my first card. What do I do? Guys, this should never be your first card. This should be like your fourth, fifth, or sixth card. Why? Because this is a charge card. When you see the Centurion here, that represents a charge card, not a credit card. Charge cards don't show credit limits. When you're trying to build good, solid credit, you have to start building credit cards that actually have credit limits. What do? You use that card as much as possible for 3 to 6 months, build up that limit as much as possible, and then go to the next card and do the same thing. Once you have 3 or 4 of those cards, then you should start going after charge cards, okay? You might even want to start with Chase and go after the 5 and 24 rule so that you can get a couple good Chase cards, the Freedom Flex, Freedom Unlimited, and then move over to your Amex cards. But remember, stay away from these shiny metal cards that have that Centurion because they don't help boost your credit limits. And by not having that higher credit limit, it's going to be harder for you to maintain good utilization, okay? If you have any questions on this, put some comments below. If you like this, please like below and share it with your friends and family. Make sure that you subscribe so that I can continue to put out awesome educational content for you and everybody else. All right? Hope you have an awesome day. I'll catch up with you in the next video.